What if your morning coffee could be the most important thing you do for your health after 60? For millions, that first cup is just a caffeine fix. But what if you're pouring away a golden opportunity? The truth is, your daily ritual is at a crossroads. It can either drain your vitality or become a powerful tool to reclaim it. After age 60, your body faces a silent challenge, the gradual loss of muscle strength and mobility. This isn't just about feeling weaker. It impacts your independence, your balance, and your joy in everyday life. But emerging science points to a simple, transformative idea. By blending specific natural powders into your brew, you can turn that cup into a targeted support system for your aging body. Today, we'll reveal 5 research-backed additions that fight inflammation, protect your muscles, and boost energy. The number 1 pick is so effective, it's like a daily repair kit for your joints. Before we start, I'm curious. Where are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments below. Number 5. Cinnamon, the Circulation Guardian. Now let's begin with number 5. Cinnamon, the Circulation Guardian. This common spice is a powerhouse. It helps stabilize blood sugar and enhances blood flow. For seniors, better circulation means more oxygen to your brain and muscles, leading to clearer thinking and steadier movement. Plus, it adds a warm, comforting flavor. Number 4. Pure Cocoa, the Heart and Mind Shield. Ingredient 4. Pure cocoa, the heart and mind shield. A teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa is rich in compounds that support blood vessel health and cognitive function. It is a delightful way to give your cardiovascular system and focus a gentle boost with every sip. Number 3. Collagen Peptides, the Joint Restorer. Ingredient 3. Collagen Peptides, the Joint Restorer. This is the one most people overlook. As we age, our natural collagen depletes, leading to stiff joints and weaker tissues. Adding a scoop of collagen powder to your warm coffee helps replenish what time takes away. It supports the scaffolding of your joints and skin. Your morning cup can become a fountain of youth for your joints. One study noted remarkable improvements in mobility for older adults using collagen. It's a simple step with profound effects. Number 2. High-quality protein, the muscle defender. Ingredient 2. High-quality protein, the muscle defender. To combat age-related muscle loss, your body needs ample protein. A scoop of a clean, easily blended protein powder in your coffee delivers essential amino acids right at the start of your day. This isn't about bodybuilding, it's about preserving the strength to carry your groceries, play with grandkids, and live on your terms. Number 1. Turmeric or flaxseed, the inflammation tamer. And now, the number 1 most powerful addition you need to know about. Turmeric or flaxseed, the inflammation tamer. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many age-related aches and fatigue. A small pinch of turmeric, with its active curcumin, directly addresses this fire within. Alternatively, a spoonful of ground flaxseed offers omega-3 salt and fiber for sustained energy and heart health. Together, they help your body feel more resilient and vibrant. Why this fusion works? Why does this fusion work so well? Coffee acts as an effective carrier, helping your body absorb these beneficial compounds. You're creating a nutrient-dense elixir that works with your metabolism. Transform your routine from a simple wake-up into a powerful wellness ritual. Your daily blueprint. Here's your daily blueprint. Start with your favorite black coffee. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cocoa, 1 scoop of collagen or protein, and a dash of turmeric or flax. Stir or blend until smooth. This isn't a complicated recipe. It's a small change with a massive potential impact on your strength, stability, and independence for years to come. Final words. If this resonated with you, please show your support by tapping the like button. It truly helps our channel, Healthy Lifestyle. Share this with a friend who deserves to feel stronger. And subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more straightforward, natural strategies to enhance your vitality at any age. Thanks for watching.